Pull up in my hood, best dress. Next thing, upgrade, who's next? Rich boy, got him on deck.
Hey subbies, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Bree here, and today we're going to be transforming this wig into a new style. Now you guys may recognize this unit from last video of reviewing Eullair hair. This is that unit. We're just going to transform her into something new, something fresh. We're just going to give her a bang.
Oh, yeah!
So, in order to start this process, I made sure I parted two pieces. Now this is in a middle part, so I am going to press as much as I can and as many times as possible to go ahead and get that part, you know, basically out the way. Now to start cutting the bangs. So instead of cutting straight across, we're going to go ahead and start cutting up. This will give that fringe, you know, more sleek, more, you know, body, more, you know, bang, more, you know, just more of a better look than straight up cutting. And also if you cut straight across, it'll be more blunt. We don't want it to be too blunt. We want it to look a nice little cut. And if you cut too short, then we can't go back. So I'll start off small and just start cutting up, okay? Now here you see me putting the hair on my head. I am just going to make sure before I cut too much that I am cutting right enough to where it can lay on me properly. You want to make sure you do that. Do not cut it completely on the mannequin unless you are a professional and you know what you're doing, you know. But I would advise as a beginner to make sure you put the hair on your head at some point to make sure you're good. Okay, so this is how my hair is looking so far. I cannot see at all. So I'm going to cut some more and come back with a final result. I hope you guys really like this video. I did end up cutting just a little bit more later on, but I absolutely loved it. It was so cute. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you did this in the comment section below.